In 1 minute or less, I'm going to show you how to play with both hands and all 10 fingers on the piano, just like this. The first thing we need to do is figure out where to put our hands. I'm going to show you by using the black keys. If you see the groups of 2, 3, 2, and 3, well, anywhere that you see 2 black keys, the white key that's just to the left and below those 2, that's a C. So if we put our right hand thumb there, now we can play all 5 of our pitches, C, D, E, F, and G. Likewise, in our left hand, we're going to find a C and then line up our left hand. And then the last step is to do it with our metronome at 60, just like this. 1, 2, ready, go. We're just going to do it again as many times as we want. And there you go. If you just did it, then congratulations.